team winning by 37 points. What is your assessment of your team today?
Okay. Okay, so right now yung team, so makita natin na nag-enjoy yung mga bata natin na on their game. As you can see, yung facing ng game na gusto namin, mabilis ang facing na gawa ng mga bata. And I think they enjoy the game. Yun ang pinakamahalaga doon.
Coach, how happy are you with the performance of your rookie? He has triple-doubled in today's game.
Siyempre masayang-masaya at actually nagwo-worry na nga ako dun sa oras niya pero hiningi niya sa akin to kaya binigay ko lang. Nice game. Masaya kaming lahat. Nice one.